The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. I'm going to drape something right now and we'll see how it works out. Before I get started, there's 3 things that you must always remember. Number 1, when you have a new idea, a new design, maybe you're the assistant to a designer and your boss gives you a sketch. The question is, how am I going to make this pattern? Meaning, am I going to drape it using the draping process or pattern making, flat pattern drafting? Which way am I going to execute this design? That's the first question you got to think about. The second is, how does she get into it? You know, we tend to get very creative and we design these wonderful ideas and then we forget that she has to get into it, right? Is there a zipper on the side seam? Are there buttons somewhere? How does she get into it? That's an important question. And thirdly is grain lines. Now, in this case, okay, the grain line that I'm going to use, if you recall from the last lesson on the bias, right? We have a selvage, right? And then we have the bias grain line. So if I'm going to drape this on straight grain, this becomes bias. And as you know, bias gives. So what you might end up doing is that you're going to end up with this neckline going all wavy, if you're familiar with bias. So what I'm going to do in this case is to put the straight grain, the selvage, here. This is the selvage. This is a straight grain right here. So which means that now this is the bias. So I'm draping this dress on the bias. Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.